Ciao a tutti! Oggi parliamo del corso A1, il primo livello di conoscenza della lingua italiana. Potrete trovare questo corso nella playlist intitolata Corso A1. Questa è una guida completa perché molto spesso è difficile trovare non solo una lista ordinata degli elementi necessari, ma anche un percorso semplificato. Hello everyone, today we talk about the A1 level course, and you can find this course in the playlist named A1 level course. This is a complete guide of the course because very often it's difficult to find material which is necessary to complete the level. Let's start with the objective. To acquire this level, you need to acquire new words and simple structures to talk about you, about yourself, and your environment. Your environment can be your house, but it can also be something about your family or things that are related to you. Let's start with the first step. Before we start, this is my advice. Try to study in a flexible way, in a fluid way. Don't be rigid in your study. You don't have to know everything and learn perfectly. You just need to be understood. First step, to talk about yourself and of course of other people. You will need to learn vocabulary to talk about nationality, numbers that you can use in many ways to ask about age or the size of clothes. And you want to talk about that, you need colors, the family, professions, and animals. What are the grammatical structures behind this? Gender and number, articles, the qualifying adjectives because you need them to describe ordinal and cardinal numbers, personal subject pronouns, I, you, she, he. You need to learn these ones in Italian, and the possessive adjectives. At the end of this course, we said you need to be able to talk about yourself and your environment. Vocabulary about the house, nations, so you can ask also for nationality, city, school. I put some examples here: hospital, restaurant, hotel. All these places are inside a city, so you can expand. After you learn about nations and nationalities, maybe you can expand with cities, what is inside a city. And of course, the way to reach all these places is means of transport. You might want to say what you do and what people do in those places. So learn daily actions, then learn routine, vocabulary to express, to describe your routine. Learn vocabulary about sport, hobbies, and travels. What you need to understand and learn is interrogatives, pronouns, and adjectives. For example, cosa, come, what, how, when, all these ones. To ask questions. The verb to be and to have, two auxiliary verbs. So then you can say what is in a city. C'è, ci sono. Verbi irregolari, regular verbs, and some irregular verbs as well, simple prepositions, and adverbs. If you want to download this presentation or just a list of topics, you can do so at the link in the description. I hope this video helped you to clarify what you need in this level, and I hope you can have a look to the first course and maybe to the other courses in this channel. Thank you for listening and for watching. Va bene, grazie e a presto!